Hi guys, have you heard the term microdosing when it comes to GLP-1 medications? If you're thinking about starting Wegovy, Ozempic, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, or our compounded versions at Ellie MD, you need to know why microdosing is one of the biggest game changers in long-term weight management. I'm Rhonda, and after losing 75 pounds using these medications, I've helped hundreds of people do the same. Today, I'm breaking it all down, what microdosing means, why it matters, and how it can save you time, money, and stress long term. Let's start simple. GLP-1 medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide work by mimicking natural hormones called incretins that regulate your appetite, insulin response, and metabolism. Taking a microdose means using the lowest effective dose of these medications to maintain your weight loss results without taking more than your body actually needs. Think of it like this. You wouldn't water a plant with a fire hose, right? You would give it just the right amount to thrive. It's the same idea here. Microdosing keeps your metabolism supported without simply overwhelming your system. At EllieMD, we're obsessed with patients' safety and comfort. We use the absolute lowest sustainable dose in our microdose option for people looking to release only inflammation and maybe a few pounds, or just maintain the weight that they are at and keep the inflammation at bay. Why does this even matter? First of all, fewer side effects. Nausea, fatigue, or GI discomfort are much less common on a microdose. Next, you receive a better metabolic reset. You're allowing your body to respond by not shocking it into rapid weight loss like the weight loss dosing does. You also enjoy long-term sustainability. This dose becomes your sweet spot, so you can stay there quite comfortably with the smallest amount to maintain your results you worked so hard to achieve. Here's why I love this approach and why my clients love it too. You'll have a much lower cost. Smaller doses equal a lower monthly expense when it comes to your longevity on this product. You'll also have much less medication in your system because with a microdose, you're not taking more than you need to maintain. It's also so easy to maintain. It allows you to avoid the constant up and down cycle of stopping and restarting these medications and getting you back to that old yo-yo weight gain and loss problem that got many of us to this point in the first place where we needed these medications. You'll still enjoy the freedom from that awful food noise that held you back before. Even at microdoses, you get the same calm around food. Your appetite and your cravings remain silenced, and that is so important to me for sure. Here's an important point to consider as you search for the right program for you. EllieMD really shines compared to other online providers because we use 503A compounding pharmacies. We only work with licensed board-certified pharmacists in highly regarded pharmacies. We can provide certificates of potency when you ask. You can request proof showing exactly what's in your medication. Most compounding pharmacies do not offer this important certificate, ensuring you are getting exactly what we say you are getting. We now have a secure patient portal. All of your prescriptions, doses, and provider notes are tracked in one place. So if you decide to order our prescription skincare or add NAD to your peptide stack, it's all right there in your portal in the same place so you can receive the care you need. You receive constant personal guidance if you'd like from me. You're not on your own here. You get me, my experience, and an entire community of people walking this same path with you. So here's how to begin. First, click the link below and find the microdose section and choose your medication. Either semaglutide, labeled GLP-1 plus B12 microdose, or tirzepatide labeled GLP-1 GIP plus B12. Click on it and start your medical questionnaire. Next, our licensed providers will review your health history and decide if you qualify. Keep in mind that our microdose prescriptions require a BMI of 20 or higher. Finally, once you're approved, your medication ships straight to your door. It's just that simple. Microdosing isn't just about less medication. It's about having more control over your appetite, more control over your weight, and most importantly, more control over your overall health. I've lived this. I've guided hundreds of people through it. And if you're ready to finally release the weight for good without starving yourself, without over-medicating, and without doing it by yourself, I'm here to help you do it. Click the link below, start your questionnaire, and let's get you to your sweet spot. If this video helped you understand microdosing, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I answer all of the comments personally. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.